the 39 fire. What do you remember from that fire?
Well, I remember that it burned down that ridge between Gills Creek, well, across from Coleman's restaurant.
Yes.
That high ridge, it burned almost down parallel to that.
Wow.
Somehow I got on that ridge across the timber.
Huh.
You know, I mean, it come back down east and south and filled the canyon full of smoke.
What color was the smoke?
Well, the smoke that I really remember was from the 33 fire. That was all colors. White, yellow, black. I mean, that's vivid in my mind yet.